In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide a chat in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using Microsoft Teams for work, school, or personal communication, staying organized and being able to access your conversations easily is crucial. Sometimes, you might accidentally hide a chat or simply tuck it away to declutter your main view. Whatever the reason, knowing how to unhide those chats is a handy skill. So let's dive in and get started on bringing those hidden chats back to your view. To start off, launch Microsoft Teams on your device. You can do this on the desktop app or through your web browser, whichever is more convenient for you. Once logged in, locate the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This is essentially your main navigation hub within Teams, filled with various icons, including Activity, Chat, Teams, Calendar, and more. Specifically, we're interested in the chat icon. It's a speech bubble and should be near the top of your sidebar. Go ahead and click on it to open your chat area. Now that you're in the chat section, you may notice that it displays your most recent conversations by default. This is where things can get a little tricky. If a chat has been hidden, it won't immediately show up in this list. So, the next step is to use the search bar. This bar is located at the very top of your Teams interface, making it easy to spot. Click inside the search bar and type in the name of the person or the topic of the chat you want to unhide. As you type, Teams will start to autofill potential matches. This is a helpful feature that can save you some time. If you're not sure about the exact name or keyword of your chat, try to remember any unique details or words shared in that conversation. Once you see the chat appear in the search results, click on it to open it. Doing this effectively brings the chat back to your active chat list, even though it was previously hidden. It's as simple as that. This action doesn't just open the chat for immediate viewing, it also ensures that the chat reappears in your main chat list, making it accessible again without having to repeat the search process. And there you have it. You've successfully unhid a chat in Microsoft Teams. Remember, keeping your chat list organized can improve your workflow, but knowing how to retrieve those hidden conversations is equally important. I hope this guide was clear and easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials if you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting in Microsoft Teams.